Hey my beauty family, this is Valya, and in this tutorial I will do for you this look I'm wearing now, which is a very nice, quick and easy look, affordable look, warm look, everyday look I have to say, that I'm gonna do for you today. So if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my Maybelline Express Brow Ultra Slim Pencil in the shade medium brown, which, as we have told many times, it is a very thin pencil and it helps me to define my brows very precise. From the other side, it's spoolie. Then I have cleaned them up on the underbrow area with my Fit Me Maybelline the shade 20 and on my upper brow area with the foundation that I'm gonna use today in this video tutorial, which is by Mon Reve All Day Wear Foundation. And now I'm going to prepare my lid. I'm going to use my Fit Me Maybelline the shade 20 on my lid, and then I will blend my lid with my Wet Beauty blender and set up with a compact powder. My lids are ready and now I'm going to use my shadows. In this video tutorial I will do for you a very quick and easy glam look. I think it will take you under 10 minutes. And I'm gonna use my Kylie Beauty Loving eyeshadow, which is this, and taking this fluffy big brush, and I will take at the beginning this on the edge, very nice matte purple color, with which I'm gonna do my crease. I apply from the inner part of the lid on the outer part of the lid and turn it up a few on the outer part of the lid and under, and under the brow bone, with circular motion from the inner part to the outer part of that. Very nice, beautiful color. I will do the same on the other eye. It is very easy glam look, purple light with nude lips, very everyday look I have to say. Easy look, glam look although. And I think it's gonna take to you under 10 minutes. Maybe I will do some more time because I'm talking to you and explaining to you what you have to do. But if you do it alone in front of your mirror, only I think 10 minutes, and I can tell you much. Then I will take by Cosmofan number 110 flat brush, and near this it is another purple shadow which is shimmery, and this is it, purple shimmery shadow, and this I'm gonna apply a few of that on my lid area, in the middle on the lid area. Taking my beauty blender, my blending brush by Tommy T, and I will connect the two shadows together to make the harsh line more soft, of course, because we want a soft and easy blending look. To tell you the truth, you can leave this eye look as it is, but I want to give it some more touch, so I will take my classic black, in this case eyeliner, by Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day Matte, and this is it. And I will apply some more. You can leave it as it is, I have told you, if you are in a hurry in the morning, but I want some more touch for that. As you see, I pull up a straight line where is my underwater line. I pull up the same as the guide straight line, and it ends at the crease, not very long, and starting to do from the inner part of the lid, I do a straight line on the upper waterline till this point, and then I connect, as you see, the edge with the other side, and then I will fill in inside. It is very easy for you to do it, especially if you are a beginner. Take a pen like this is, not take some liner. It is more difficult for you. I'm trying to show you how I do that. And fill in all the rest of this. It is very easy for you to do it, as you see. Done some coffee while I work. I need that. Taking some highlighter with my eyebrow 103, and I will take my Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlighting powder. This is it. I will take some of that, apply under my brow bone. Very nice highlighter this is. Now I'm going to take my lash curler before I do my lashes. And I will apply some of that before I do my lash. In this video, you can wear only your mascara, as I will do. I will show you right immediately my Vortex Mon Rêve Astonishing Lasting Mascara. I will show you that I will wear. You can wear only a black mascara, but I think, tell you the truth, I leave it like it is. Don't know. Don't know what to do. But you can leave it with a very, very black mascara as it is. It is nice and easy for you to do it. And of course you don't need false lashes in all the day, anything you want, because it is a simple look. But I wear false lashes in my real life in all the day. No, I think I will wear some lashes because I do that, but you can leave it and see. To tell you, I will show you the lashes I'm gonna use. They are thin, they are not thick. And they are wearable for all the day. That's why I wear them. These are the lashes I'm gonna use. These are the lashes. So I'm gonna wear them off camera and coming back. My lashes are ready, and now I'm going to prepare the rest of the face. In today's video, I will use my Fit Me Luminous and Smooth Hydrating Primer, and this is it. Before I apply the foundation, of course. Then I'm gonna apply my new all-day wear foundation SPF 15 long-lasting natural finish by Mon Rêve. This is my new foundation, number 104. It is a foundation medium coverage. I will apply some of the back of my hand and taking my real technique. Excuse me, just a minute. Expert Face Brush Real Technique 200. I'm starting to apply, of course, some more very, very nice makeup. It is the first time that I'm using that, and as I see, it is very hydrating, moisturizing. And some of that on the neck down. Taking after that my NYX Bear With Me concealer, which I'm gonna use some on the inner part, some on the outer part of the eye, some dots on the nose, on the thin thumb product, on the moustache area and near the mouth. Very nice and very this serum you can use it and as a foundation without another foundation, but I use it because it is very coverage, full coverage. Now, some coffee while I work, because I need that as always. Taking in this video, I will use my new, of course, Monrive Bronze Skin Tan Defect Cream SPF 20 for normal combination skin matte finish, which is bronzer contouring liquid. Let's see how we can use that. I'll apply some on and on the forehead, of course. Taking my beauty blender. Yes, I will take my beauty blender to apply the product. Let's see how it is. Very nice, as I have seen. It is very, very nice. And let's do some on the chin, of course. This, it is a liquid product and I use it as a contouring. More lighter, because in the summer I use this palette by Wet n Wild, which is a little darker. You can use it now, but I want it for now some more lighter. I will use it again, of course. I think it's very nice, the result. After that, I will use with my fingers my Monrive Stellar liquid highlighter, and this is it, number 101, and this is a very nice highlighter, liquid. This I'm gonna take with my middle finger to apply some product, which is a very nice champagne color. I like to apply this product with my fingers, the highlighter. Some on the dot between this and on the cupid's bow. Very nice product. It is the first time I'm trying them, but I see that they are very nice, blendable, very nice, and on the texture. I can blend them very easily with my fingers. Yes, good product. Taking loose powder, starting to set up the under eye area with my beauty blender, as you see. Starting to set up the under eye area. I have told you sometimes and many times that to set up the under eye area, we need a loose powder, not a compact. I will set up the whole face, but then I will use the compact for the whole face. Of course, I will take my compact new Monrive 103 compact powder with SPF 15, and this is it, and taking my eyebrow level to set up, of course, the whole face, not under the eyes, we have told that. Everywhere, and on the ear, and everywhere. Now, continue with MUA Bronze Perfection. Because we have told that when we apply liquid products, we have to combine them to end up with products that they are powdery. Ageless Blusher, Soft Powder Flawless Formula, Pure Mineral, 7Cool08. It is a very nice coral, deep coral blush. And of course, Wet n Wild Blossom Glow Highlighter, the highlighter that we used before. Because we have told, when we use liquid products, we have to combine them with product powdering. Now, I'm going to end up with my under eye area. I don't think that combine them to have a soft touch. I will end up with my under eye area, of course, that we have told. I'm taking the shadow that I used before on the upper lid. I will apply inside the waterline a classic black liner. On the inner corner we have to apply the highlighter we applied under the brow bone area, just a few of that on the inner corner. And of course some mascara on the under lash, bottom lash, not on the upper lashes. We have applied, I have wear the false lash. I don't apply the false lash mascara, only some on the bottom lash. And of course we have to end up with our lips. Excuse me. And we'll use my Wet n Wild Color Icon Willow 712, a nude pencil. I will apply inside my Yabaolian 05 nude color lipstick, matte lipstick. And over that, my Golden Rose Nude Look Velvet Matte Lip Color in the shade 02 Peach Nude Look, very nice. Over that. And of course, the last step is to make our makeup last during all the day. So I will use my makeup fixing spray by Fiore Vita. Ending up the wet part with my beauty blender. It is very wet. My friends, as I say, this is my recommendation for you for today. This is my complete finished look. It is a warm look. I can say warm look. Very easy, quick. I think you will not do for that 7-8 minutes. I did some more because I'm explaining to you. So my friends, this is my recommendation for you for today. If you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!